In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Chrome keeps logging me out. So the first thing that you may want to check are the cookies. So in your Chrome browser, click on the three dot icon at the top right corner of your screen. Next is go to settings. Then next in the left panel, click on privacy and security. Then from here is click on third-party cookies. Here choose whether to allow third-party cookies or block third-party cookies. Then next is scroll down to sites allowed to use third-party cookies. In a new tab, search for that site that keeps logging you out. So say for example, it's google.com. All you have to do is copy this URL. Then from here, click the add button and paste the site's URL. Then click on the add button. Now, if it's still happening, make sure that you turn off extensions. And to do that, click on this puzzle-like icon at the top right corner of your screen. Then click on Manage Extensions. And from here, make sure that disable them one by one, especially ad blockers or privacy tools. Lastly, try updating your Chrome browser. In the top right corner, click on the three dot icon once again. Then hover your mouse on Help, then click on About Google Chrome. If you see any updates available, make sure that you install them. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!